After the coronavirus, a new virus is rapidly taking over the whole world, which is called monkeypox. Infected cases were reported in the African country of the Congo in the 1970s when some monkeys, while being experimented on for research, developed scabies, hence in a monkeypox. Found in most animals and most commonly reported in squirrels and Gambian rats than in monkeys. It has been imported into the USA, while it recently came to news when 200 cases were reported in Europe, including Africa in 2020, suggesting that the outbreak could erupt at any time. As we have seen in the case of coronavirus, surprisingly, there has not been a single death due to this virus within Europe. Although we all know that Africans have very strong immune system, while Europeans are very fragile. They keep and cannot tolerate even high temperatures. Now the question arises that why this actually happened. Read the report or research article which says that most of the people infected with this virus were those who were bisexual or gay, people from short LGBT community, and obviously the reason for its spread among them is because of us. It was sexist or unnatural sex that is blackening the face of man, with movement and with movement, which is the most serious sin in all religions of the world, and especially in Islam. It is the worst sin in the eyes of Allah, due to which the entire nation of the nations of Lord were destroyed. You all know that before this, the coronavirus was also caused by eating such forbidden food, that is because of eating forbidden animals, which is food in all religions of the world. It is strictly forbidden, and this time this virus is also spreading continuously as a result of the biggest sin, homosexuality, but no one is openly talking about it, and you can understand the reason very well. A secret society of the world, which is the representative of the devil, never knows that this truth will reach every person in the world, and that he will not stop from this sin, that is our worship, because of the fear of disease, because their agenda is this. The religion we are going to spread all over the world within the coming time is on the world media, because these people control it. So no side news can come out, because this is against their future agenda. And that's why you will see that be it the media or the film industry or the international NGOs, all of them have been very deep for the right of the LG girl and for their right in every country of the world in the last few years. They are demanding that it is legalized, which unfortunately includes some Islamic countries. In Western countries, it is being promoted to such an extent that these couples are being given regular asylum and citizenship. More and more people can be attracted to homosexuality, and this gentrification is being perpetrated by the media. Even your children cartoons are not safe. Being a recent Netflix children cartoon series was also physiologically grooming children for homosexuality. The show was eventually removed after public protest and boycott. Attempts have been made to stop it, but now it is out of control. The variant of the virus also named Black Lacerda, which is the most prevalent in Central Africa. This virus is also dangerous because it can be transferred from animals to animals, from animals to humans, and from humans to humans. And from animals can be transferred from the blood of the animal or from an infected skin, while from human to human it can be infected. It can be spread by touching some part of person, sneezing, coughing, or breathing. Once it enters the body, it starts showing flu-like symptoms like fever, headache, and body aches. But the most obvious symptom is there are terms boxes on the body which is getting worse from time to time. This process takes 2 to 4 weeks. It is spreading due to sexual interaction, that is the same sex or homosexuality that we have discussed in detail above. At the moment, a variant of the virus that exists inside the Congo has become stronger, and in neighboring African countries such as Burundi, the poorest country in the world, as well as Kenya, Rwanda, and also within Uganda, are currently on record killing 10 out of every 100 people. After its 11,000 cases have been reported, it has been killed around 5,500 people, and this is data of 2024 only for Africa. A cut from a person returning from AE while in Pakistan by May 2023 means that it is spreading very rapidly throughout the world. Both the countries have issued red alert and instruction accordingly, but one thing that the world media will never tell you is that I will summarize and tell you everything else you can read in news and research articles on the internet. The good thing is that like the coronavirus, it gets better on its own after some time, and if your immunity is good, then immunity means your body built to fight viruses and bacteria. If God willing a person is already infected within a disease and also gets this virus, then the chance of this survival is very less. Besides, his vaccine is already available, and also it is different from coronavirus. There can't be a board within variant that is, it can't become stronger. As I told you above, the virus was reported in Europe, but not 1 out of 200 people died from the virus because the world had to be alerted to its danger. It was spread fear in them that this is a very dangerous disease that can kill you, and if you want to avoid it, it is very important for you to take this vaccine of ours, which every country in the world has. The government will buy from them by paying money in terms like the coronavirus, and these people will make billions of dollars in profit. It will have two benefits: do not migrate due to overpopulation inside and easy to control them. And another reason behind not eradicating this virus was that it can be used as a biological weapon against any country. Its economy can be suppressed by any threat to their interests, and that is why the virus and spread are still in the testing stage according to them, which will soon be launched within these countries. Will go which is their targets within such countries which have to be destroyed economically instead of on the battlefield. In short, they will create this disease by themselves, and its treatment is also a real reality of the monkeypox virus, and you don't need to worry about it. Just focus on improving your immunity, take good diet, exercise, and do it for 8 hours, and leave everything else to Allah. Because this is our tricks Shaitan uses and a plan. Allah creates, and surely that is what goes with Allah. And the same thing will happen outside of now. God willing, that is what I hope you will learn a lot from this video, and you will like this video. If you like this video, please like it, and now I will meet you in a new interesting video. Until then, I will take care of you. Thanks for watching this video.